Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to a name that might not be on your radar yet, but definitely should be Transsion. Ever heard of it? If not, you're about to discover one of the most fascinating stories in the smartphone industry. So who is Transsion? Well, as of 2024, Transsion has secured its place as the world's fourth largest smartphone maker. Yep, you heard that right. They shipped a whopping 106.7 million units, capturing a 9% global market share. That's more than big names like Oppo, Huawei, and Vivo. This ranking comes from data released by Canalys in February 2025. Transsion's success story starts back in 2006 in Shenzhen, China. But what's interesting is they don't even sell phones in their home market. Instead, they focused on Africa, entering with feature phones in 2008, and later moving to smartphones in 2014. They quickly earned the nickname Smartphone King of Africa. And it's no wonder, with a 40% market share in Africa in 2024, Transsion truly dominates. But they didn't stop there. Transsion's influence extends to Southeast Asia too. In Q4 2024, they led the market in the Philippines, took the second spot in Indonesia, and ranked third in Malaysia. Not bad for a brand many haven't even heard of, right? Their strategy? Budget-friendly smartphones under their sub-brands, Tecno, Infinix, and itel. These phones offer comparable specs to higher-priced competitors, but at a fraction of the cost, sometimes as low as $50. And it's working. Between 2021 and 2023, while other top brands saw fluctuating revenues, Transsion maintained steady growth. By mid-2023, they surged past Vivo to become the fourth largest player globally. Present in over 70 markets across Central and South America, the Middle East and Asia, including India, Transsion's reach is vast. They're looking to replicate Xiaomi's success in India and are even moving upmarket with their Tecno brand. Models like the Phantom V Flip and V Fold, priced over $600, are their contenders against giants like Samsung, Google, and OnePlus. However, it's not all smooth sailing. In Vietnam, for instance, their products, priced around 2 million VND, about $79, haven't made a significant impact. This might be due to insufficient spending on sales, marketing, or product upgrades. So there you have it. Transsion, a hidden powerhouse in the smartphone world. Keep an eye on this brand because their rise is far from over. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.